So here's something also you see in Montana, is maybe off the road, is a cool truck. And this one, every time I look at these, they're always around 1940 World War II stuff. And this says Werner Machine and Welding Works, Welding Contractors, Cutbank, Montana. And that's your total fixer-upper rat rod. And I don't know if it has a frame. Has some bullet holes. And looks like it's probably a 2-ton. It's got the big wheels on it. And that might be the flatbed right there. Still even has a door handle. So this is just totally cool.